7 brands at Fashion and Finds exhibition looking for something in 3-piece, something in unstitched, some party wear jewelry. If you want something in 2-piece, something in sari, something in stylish party wear for weddings, something in dupattas. If you want something in western wear, footwear, some vacation clothes, then this is happening at Reflection Gallery for 2 days. So swipe left to see the collection. This is brand Pacheri.
So we have a Georgette sari. We can again customize the color in this.
Okay, Georgette sarees ma
Then we have a sari in Gaji. Then we have a sari in Munga silk, and all the saris comes with a blouse piece fabric.
Okay.
Yeah.
Blouse piece में fabric साथ में मली जैसे sarees हमने यहाँ.
Then we have a dress in Chanderi, which is a top and a bottom set that we have.
Okay. And unstitched much है.
Unstitched
So sizes में अपन issue नहीं
sizes
है.
में issue नहीं.
Okay.
Then we have a fabric like this, so you can
Fabric
get a nice
है.
cocktail dress or something. We
Nice.
have a fabric for men's kurta, which is 3 meters.
Men's kurta में 3 meters में अपन मली जैसे.
Then we have a gaji kurta.
गजी कुर्ता में
We
मली
can
जैसे.
customize the colors and design. Then we have something like this just in the daman.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can get the western dress done also.
They also have very beautiful dupattas over here. જે તમે જોઈ શકો છો. આ રીતે unstitched. This is brand Honey. I made this.
What is the collection?
Okay. So આ કયું મટીરિયલ છે?
So all are in tissue, chanderi,
Tissue and
the mixed
chanderi.
fabrics. Masha, this
Okay.
This is in chanderi.
Something in Chanderi. Okay, something in semi-stitched.
So I have options in that.
Okay, a lot of options in that as well.
Then off-shoulder dresses are
Off-shoulders,
there. In that
Masha.
also I have color options.
Okay.
Something like what I am wearing. Something like this. These are also
Okay.
cords with tissue pants.
Tissue pants માં quads મળી જશે.
મેં જે પહેર્યું છે એમાં કલર ઓપ્શન્સ છે.
Okay. So color options જે એમને પહેર્યું છે એમાં પણ મળી જશે. Something with work done. Okay.
And casuals માં જોઈએ તો આવા shirts પણ છે.
Casuals માં આ રીતના shirts. This is brand Kia by Avni.
Hi. So we've got festive wear. This is all for pre-weddings, weddings for your bed house. Lots of nice organza pieces in lot of color can be customized to your sizes also.
Customized to sizes.
Yeah, very smart pastel shades. We can help you with your dupattas. We've got very smart colors, stunning blue with a sharara with dhoti pants.
Okay.
Nice tissue with a lot of marodi work. Apart from this, we've got very smart casual, something what I'm wearing kind of corset.
Okay.
And also linen shirts like this. And then these kind of kalamkari shirts as well.
કલમકારીમાં પણ મળી જશે.
Also bandi shirts. I've got nice kaftan style bandi shirts.
Okay.
And we have a smart cord sets like this. These are also very nice. Kind of
Yes.
embroidered pieces. And these are
Smart kaftans with pants.
these are in silk pashmina. Cord sets like this in a nice white dress.
This is brand Trabia.
Hi, so we are based out of Surat and we are here at Reflection to showcase our newest collection for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So here are our pieces. These are all hand embroidered, hand dyed, and we can customize it in any color, any
Okay.
size that you want.
Customization is available in that. Okay.
Right?
Something in long and
we
short
have cord
pieces.
sets also, which are really smart. If you want to, let's say, just add the sleeves to it, we'll do it for you.
Okay.
Then we have
That's
a
a
lot
smart
of
cord
flowy
set.
dresses.
Okay.
Which is for everyday uses for your office or your outings, your brunches. This is one of our best seller. These are all handmade flowers that we do, and
Handmade flowers.
we use it from our leftover fabrics from the other outfits.
Okay.
This is in a pure merle, and we use everything pure cotton. Everything is hand dyed, so we can customize with the colors also if you like.
Okay. This is brand Miswa, and they have got this kind of jewelry which is completely based on brass. પાર્ટી વેર માટે તમને જોઈતું હોય, તમને ડેલી વેર માટે જોઈતું હોય તો આ બધું બ્રાસ પર છે અને બહુ જ લાઇટ વેઇટ છે. સમથિંગ દેટ વુડ લુક વેરી ક્લાસી એન્ડ એલિગન્ટ. તમને બહુ પેલું હેવી લુક નહીં જોઈતું હોય. એન્ડ અગર તમને ઇનફેક્ટ તે રીતનું અગર જ્વેલરી જોઈતી હોય તો પણ મળશે. તમને થોડું બોહો રીતની જેમ ડિઝાઇન કરવું હોય, જેને એ રીતના ડિઝાઇન્સ ગમતા હોય, ડ્રેસઅપ થવા ગમતું હોય, એમના માટે પણ આ રીતના બ્રેસલેટ્સ છે. have a look at this. તમને આ રીતના બહુ જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ મળી જશે. these kind of earrings, lot of options available. તમને બ્રેસલેટ્સમાં પણ મળશે, તમને નેક પીસીસમાં પણ મળશે. have a look at this. આ રીતના બેંગલ્સ કડાસમાં જોઈતું હોય. these are some very good options available.
Hi, this is Darshini from Solvay.
Solvay.
Today we've got a collection of, say, wedding collection. We've got 4 different colors in it. Different heels also. Different shape we've launched for the heels. Small heels one check. Okay. The same colors are repeated. Also, we've got 2 different colors in this heels.
હીલ્સમાં પણ આ રીતે ડિઝાઇન કરેલી છે સ્ટ્રાઇપ્સ.
Also flats છે
Flats માં
જે
પણ
તમે
છે.
ડે ટુ ડે વેરમાં પણ પહેરી શકો છો. એમાં 3 colors છે which we've launched.
ઓકે
Also the regular collection which we have here.
ઓકે
અને એમાં small heels પણ છે અને આ box heels પણ છે. Also we've got a platform heel.
ઓકે
These are really comfortable in which you can have any color combination done.
alright, this is nice.
Hi, I'm Dhwani and this is my brand Nazar Battu. So we have some statement pieces like this. This is a kaftan style, comes with a tulip pant.
Kaftan style.
Yeah, this is shirt, dress. I also have this high-low.
High-low, okay.
This is in tissue organza.
Okay.
I have
Something in
kaftan and
tissue.
cape.
Lovely.
This is my flowered dress.
Okay.
This has a drape, ombre. This is cape style.
Cape style.
These are the colors in the one that I'm wearing.
Okay. More color options in that.
I have a few pieces on sale. These are all 20% off.
Okay, all these are 20% off the ones that you showed. Okay.
It has different silhouettes.
Okay.
I have a few casual wear as well, like kaftans.